Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. You're very welcome to a new video, and yes, happy new month. Welcome to the month of October. I hope this month bring all of us all that we prayed and wished for. So guys, in today's video I want to share this very simple donut recipe. I know I don't have any donut recipe on this channel. I have like 3 short recipes, but donut is one of those things I don't find fun in doing. Like I don't always have this ginger to make donuts, but today we are making donuts. I have other clips, like short clips of when I make donuts. I don't always complete the videos, but today I'm going to try to follow up and complete this video. Yes, I'll be using my food processor just to run it up a little, because kneading from the beginning is a problem. Okay, so I'm just going to do all of that. I already mixed my my yeast with my flour. Okay, so you won't be seeing me adding yeast. Do well to check the comment section. I'll try to pin the recipe there, or you check the description box, it will always be there. Okay, so this is very simple, and the measurement comes in cups and spoon, so it's easy to understand. I know perfect donut comes in grams, kilo, stuff like that. I have that recipe. That's even one of the reasons I don't like making donuts, because I don't have scale. All the scale I bought always go bad. So if you are like me and you like using spoons and cups for your measurements, this one is going to really help you. So all you want to do is to mix all of the ingredients in there, but I'm using half of the portion of margarine that I intend to use for the whole donut. Okay, I'm using half for now. So once you mix this up and yeah, it's ready to start kneading, you are going to add the other half. Enjoy watching this video. I don't intend to talk from start to finish. Enjoy watching, and yeah, thank you so much for always. To those of you that are just coming to my channel for the first time, thank you so much. Please do well to check other videos, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and be my guest always. Okay, have a blessed day and enjoy watching. Don't go anywhere. So while I was rolling out, I preheated my oven and turned it off. Now it's kind of is warm, not very hot, is warm. So I put my dough in it, and yeah, this is 1 hour later, exactly 1 hour. Please don't overproof. If you overproof, you're going to see like bad effect on it. So now it's ready. It doesn't need to be looking like very puffed, because it's going to like double in size when you are frying. So this is me frying it, and yeah, you can see how it look. I'm not the perfect person to tell you about donuts. What I'm sharing here is like the best recipe, easy to follow. But when it comes to making donuts, see, I'm not even good at it, because I'm always scared making donuts. Okay, so yeah, this is it, and I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know in the comment section if it was helpful. This tasted so good, by the way. So let me know if it was helpful and what you would like to see on this channel. Yes, I need to ask you guys what do you like to see on this channel. I'll be going live anytime soon, so let me know if you want to join, or yeah, just come on live and talk to me. Let me know what you like on this channel and all of that. So this was like another day I made donuts, like not now, not this video. One of the days I didn't get to record all of it, so this one was actually for a client, and it was just the same because I used the same recipe as well. But this one was fully coated with milk, and also have condensed milk filling. I actually made the condensed milk myself. I'll be sharing the recipe on this channel as well. Let me know. Thank you so much, guys. To all my new subscribers, thank you, and all the OGs, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a blessed day. I love you all. Bye.